Hey there, smartphone enthusiasts! Today, we have an exciting device to talk about, the Oppo Find N2 Flip. This innovative smartphone is making waves with its unique design and impressive features. Let's dive in and explore what sets this phone apart from the rest. First, let's talk about the design. The Oppo Find N2 Flip boasts a sleek and beautiful design that catches the eye. With its large 7.1-inch main screen, featuring a resolution of 1920 by 1792, and a secondary 5.9-inch screen with a resolution of 1972 by 988, this phone offers stunning visuals and an immersive viewing experience. Plus, when folded, it easily fits into your pocket, making it a convenient choice for those on the go. Now, let's dive into the specifications. The Oppo Find N2 Flip is powered by the Snapdragon 888 processor, ensuring snappy performance and smooth multitasking. With options for 8GB or 12GB of RAM and storage capacities of 256GB or 512GB, you'll have plenty of space to store your files, photos, and videos. The compact size of the phone, measuring 5.5 by 5.2 by 0.3 inches when opened and 5.2 by 2.9 by 0.63 inches when closed, makes it comfortable to hold and use. Now, let's talk about why you should consider buying the Oppo Find N2 Flip. First, the beautiful design is a head-turner, ensuring that you'll stand out from the crowd. The stellar displays on both the main and secondary screens offer vibrant colors and sharp visuals, enhancing your overall viewing experience. Plus, the phone's compact size when folded allows for easy portability, fitting comfortably into your pocket or bag. However, it's essential to consider a few factors before making your decision. Unfortunately, the Oppo Find N2 Flip is currently limited to the Chinese market, so availability may be a challenge for those outside of China. Additionally, some users have reported that the cameras and battery life of the phone can be underwhelming compared to other flagship devices. In conclusion, the Oppo Find N2 Flip is an impressive smartphone with its eye-catching design and stunning displays. While it may have some limitations, its unique features and compact size make it a compelling choice for those seeking something different. We hope you enjoyed learning about this innovative device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content. Until next time, stay tuned for the latest updates in the world of smartphones.